Hundreds of miles of nothingness in the Australian outback called Woomera, which is an Aborigine word for throwing stick. And of all the throwing sticks anyone's ever tried out around here, this hangar shelters the biggest and certainly the most expensive. 4 years ago, Blue Streak was a medium-range ballistic missile that had just been cancelled at fantastic cost. Today, bowler-hatted so to speak, it's ready for testing in quite a different role, as the first stage of the seven-nation project to put a European satellite into orbit in 2 years' time.
Believe it or not, this is the same launch tower used in the Blue Streak film back in 1964. It was the stuff of dreams for scientists of the day, but now 45 years on, it stands dilapidated and disused. This concrete structure would have once withstood the several thousand degrees of two Rolls-Royce engines propelling the Blue Streak rocket high into the air. The two areas shaded in blue are what was once the prohibited area of Woomera. However, now only some of the area in South Australia and none of the area of Western Australia exists. Woomera's international space and weapons history is definitely worth celebrating. In 1958, NASA constructs a space tracking station at Island Lagoon near Woomera. This plays a key role in the Apollo missions. In 1967, Woomera launches Australia into the space race with the Australian designed and made RESAT. This places Australia as the fourth country in the world to launch a satellite. 1970, the US established a satellite tracking ground station and spy base at the nearby Narranga. At the end of the Apollo missions, in 1972, Woomera was mothballed. But then in 1999, Woomera becomes under the control of the RAAF and starts a new era. In 2007, the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics officially declares Woomera as an historic aerospace site. This puts our Woomera in the same league as Tranquility Base, where man first walked on the moon. Woomera Test Facility, or WTF for short, is now as widely used as it was in the 50s and 60s, although now for a different purpose. WTF is now used as more of a military base than a research station. The facility now tests things like new types of missiles, bombs, aircraft, and other high-tech warfare equipment.